science by using me. Women created fire, peace, but strength did not inherit. Desire to acquire more and more turned into greed and created turbulence. Now I am hoping as a representative of sustainable development by shaping intelligence and protecting Mother Nature, you will lead to develop India and the world. Let's join me in the journey of innovation, peace, and sustainable development on the world's most innovative, productive, and creative through INEX 2050.
Namaskar. Hi everyone, this is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha. Today I'm going to discuss some important topics on the top technology trend in 2021. Technology today is evolving at such a rapid pace, enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change until eventually it will become exponential. However, it is not only technology trend and top technology that are evolving. A lot more has changed this year due to the outbreak of COVID-19, making IT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world tomorrow. An IT professional in 2021 will constantly be learning, unlearning, and relearning out of necessary, if not desired. What does it mean for you? It means staying current with new technology trend, and it means keeping your eye on the future to know which skill you will need to know to secure a safe job tomorrow and even learn how to get there. All does this mean for you? It means staying current with a new technology trend, and it means keeping your eye on a future to know which skill you will need to know to secure a safe job tomorrow and even learn how to get there. All woe to the worldwide pandemic, most of the global IT population is sitting back, working from home. And if you wish to make the most of your time at home, here are top here are here we are discussing about the top 9 technology trend you should watch for and make an attempt at 2021 and 2022 and possibly secure one of the job that will created by this new technology trend. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotics, process automation, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things, 5G, and cybersecurity. So let us start from the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence or AI has already received lots of words in the past decade, but it continued to be one of the new technology trend because it is notable effect on how believe, work and play are only in the early stage. AI is only known for its superiority in image and speech recognitions, navigation apps, smartphone, personal assistants, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. Other than that, artificial intelligence will be used further to analyze interaction to determine underlying connections and insight to help predict demand for the service like hospitals, enabling authority to make better decision about resource utilization and to detect the changing pattern of the customer behavior by analyzing data in near real time, driving revenue and enhancing personalized experience. The artificial intelligence market will grow to 190 billion USD industry by 2025. With the global spending on the cognitive and AI system reaching over 57 billion USD in 2021, with artificial intelligence spreading its wings and wings across sector, new jobs will be created in development, programming, testing, supports and maintenance, to name a few. On the other hand, artificial intelligence also offer some of the highest salary today, ranging from 1 lakh 25,000 USD per year machine learning engineer to 1 lakh 45,000 per year AI architect USD, 1 lakh 45,000 USD per year as a artificial intelligence architect, making it with the top new technology trend you must watch out for. Machine learning, the subset of artificial intelligence. It's also being deployed in all kind of industry, creating a huge demand for skilled professional. Forrester predicts artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation will create 9% of new US jobs by 2025. Job including robot monitoring professional, data scientist, automation specialist, content creators, making it another new technology trend you must keep in mind too. So, mastering artificial intelligence and machine learning will help to secure jobs like artificial intelligence research assistants, artificial intelligence engineers, machine learning engineers, or artificial intelligence architect. Next, second point is that our robot process automation. Like artificial and machine learning, robotic process automation or RPA is another technology that is automating job. RPA is the use of software to automate business process such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with the data, and even replying to emails. RPA automated repetitive tasks that people used to do. Allowed, Forrester Research estimates RPA automation will threaten and the livelihood of 230 million USD or more knowledge worker, or approximately 9% of the global workforce. RPA is also creating new jobs while altering existing ones. McSweeney find that less than 5% of occupation can be totally automated, but about 50% can be partially automated. For you as an IT professional looking to the future and trying to understand new technology trend, RPA offer plenty of career opportunity, including developers, project managers, business analysts, solution architect, and consultant. And these job pay well. As a RPA developer can earn over 534,000 per year, making it the next technology trend in which what on. Mastering RPO will help secure high-paying jobs like RPA developer, RPA analyst, RPA architect. Third, very important technology that is called the edge computing. Formerly, a new technology trend to watch, cloud computing has become mainstream with the major players AWS, that is called Amazon based services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more business mitigating to a cloud solution, but is not longer the engineering technology trend that is age. As the quantity of the data organization are dealing with the continue to increase, they have realized the shortcoming of cloud computing. In some situation, edge computing is designed to help solve some of these problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to the data center for the process. It can exist on the edge if you will. close to where computing need to happen. For this reason, edge computing can be used to process time-sensitive data in remote location with limited or no connectivity to the centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data center. Edge computing will increase as a use of Internet of Things device increase by 2022. The global edge computing market is expected to reach 6.72 billion USD, and this new technology trend is only meant to grow and nothing less, creating various jobs primarily for the software engineers, keeping in the line with cloud computing, including new age and quantum computing will help you grab amazing jobs like cloud reliability engineers, cloud infrastructure engineers, cloud architecture engineers, and security architects, and DevOps cloud engineers. DevOps cloud engineer. Next very important technology is the quantum computing for the future. Next remarkable technology trend is the quantum computing, which is form of the computing that take advantage of quantum phenomena like superpositions and quantum entanglement. This amazing technology trend is also involved in preventing the spread of coronavirus and to develop potential vaccines. Thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, and analyze and act on the data, regardless of the source. Another field where quantum computing is finding application in banking and finance to manage credit risk for high quality trading and fraud detection. Quantum computers are now a multitude of times faster than regular computers, and huge brands like Slopenx, Honeywell's, Microsoft, AWS, Google's, and many others are now involved in making innovation in the field of quantum computing. The revenue for the global quantum computing market are projected to surpass 2.5 billion USD by 2029. And to make a mark in this new trending technology, you need to have experience with the quantum machine, linear algebra, probability, information theory, and machine learning. Fifth, very important technology is that virtual reality and augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trend, virtual reality and augmented reality, that is VR or AR, and extended reality, that is ER. Virtual reality immerse the users in the environment while AR enhance their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for the training as virtual ships, a simulation software used to train US Navy, Army, Coast Guard SIPCOM 10. In 2021, we can expect these form of technology being further integrated into our lives, usually working in tandem with some of the other new technology we have mentioned in the list. AR and VR have enormous potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even rehabilitations after an injury. Either could be used to train detector or do surgery after museums goes a deep experience enhanced theme park or even enhanced marketing as with the Pet Max best shelter. Fun fact is that 14 million augmented reality, fun fact, 14 million augmented reality and virtual reality devices were sold in 2019. The global AR and VR market is expected to grow 209.2 billion USD by 2022, only creating more opportunity in the trending technology and welcoming more professionals ready to game-changing field, while some of the employers might look for the optics as a skill set. Note that getting started in VR does not require lots of specialized knowledge, basic programming skill, and a forward-thinking mindset can land a job. Another reason why this new technology trend should make up to your list of the lookout. Next is the blockchain. Allowed. Most people think of the blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of the terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from a chain. Hence the term chain, because you are making a chain of data. Blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from the chain. Hence term chain, because you are making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous block is what makes it secure. In addition, blockchain are consensus driven, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need to trust a third party to observe a validate transaction. Several industries are evolving and implementing blockchain, and this use of blockchain technology increase, so too does the demand for skilled professional. From a word eye view, a blockchain developer specializes in developing and implementing architecture and solution using blockchain technology. The average yearly salary of blockchain developer is 469 469,000 rupees per month. If you entered by the blockchain and its application or want to make your career in this trending technology, then this is the right time for you to start. To get into blockchain, you need to have to hand-on technology, experience programming language, fundamental of object. To get into blockchain, you need to have a trained on experience of the programming language to fundamental of the object-oriented programming system, flat and relational database structure, web application networking. So mastering blockchain can help you scale up in a variety of field and industry, that is a risk analyst, tech architect, crypto community manager, and front-end engineers. Next very important thing is that artificial intelligence is also very emerging area, and Internet of Things. Another promised new technology trend is in Internet of Things. Many things are now being built with the Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet and to each other. Hence the Internet of Things or IoT. The Internet of Things is the future and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars, and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet. As a consumers, we are already using the benefiting from the IoT. We can look outdoors remotely if we forget to when we leave for the work and preheat our oven on a way from home from the work, all while tracking out the fitness or Fitbits. However, business also have much to gain now and near future also. The IoT can enable better safety, efficiency, and decision making of business as the data is collected and analyzed. It can enable predictive maintenance, speed up medical care, improve customer services, and offer benefit we have not emerged yet. And we are only in the beginning stage of new technology trend. Forecasts suggest that 2030, around 50 million of these IoT devices will be used around the world, creating a massive wave of the interconnected devices, spanning everything from the smartphone to kitchen appliances. The global spending on the Internet of Things is forecast to reach 1.1 trillion US dollar in 2022. New technology such as 5G is expected to drive market growth in the coming year. And if you wish to step foot in this trend technology, you will have to learn about the information security, AI and machine learning fundamental, networking, hardware trafficking, data analytics, automation, understanding of the embedded system, and must have device and design knowledge. Next very important thing is that 5G. The next technology trend and follow the IoT is the 5G, where 3G and 4G technology have enabled us to browse the internet, use data-driven services, increase bandwidth for the streaming on Spotify or YouTube, and much more. 5G services are expected to revolutionize our life by enabling services that rely on the advanced technology like AR and VR, alongside cloud-based gaming service like Google's Stadia, Nvidia, GateForce, Now, and much more. It is expected to be used in factories, SD camera that help improve safety and traffic management, a smart grid control, and a smart retail too. Just about every telecom company like Verizon's, T-Mobile, Apple, Nokia Corporation, Qualcomm, and now working on creating 5G application. 5G service are expected to launch worldwide in 2021, and more than 50 operators offering service about 30 countries by the end of 2021, making it a new technology trend you must watch out for and also save to spot on. And finally, very important topic is the cyber security. Cybersecurity might not seem like the trending technology, given that it has been around for a while, but is while it's just another technology. That's part because their threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find way to get through even the toughest security measure. It's also in the part because new technology is being adopted to enhance security. As long as we have hackers, cybersecurity will remain a trending technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers. As a proof of strong need for the cybersecurity professional, the number of cybersecurity jobs in the growing three times faster than other tech jobs. Also, the need of proper cybersecurity is so high that 2021 6 trillion USD will be spent globally on cybersecurity. You must note that, however, challenging the field is also offered lucrative six-figure income and role can begin as a ethical hacker, malware analyst, security engineer, chief security officer, offering a promised career path for the some who want to get interested in the overgrown technology. So you have seen, and you have seen, I have already discussed that the technology, nine important technologies that will going to change for the futures, and that will make your path to get to success. So just choose and select career in this technology era, especially for the computer science, information technology, computer science engineering, or business analyst personnel. Thank you very much. You are watching Professor Ripuranjan Sinha at Innovation Next 2050 programs. Thank you very much.
I am science. By using me, women created fire, peace, but a strap did not end here. Desire to acquire more and more turned into greed and created turbulence. Now, I am hoping as a representative of sustainable development by shaping intelligence and protecting Mother Nature, you will lead to develop India and the world. Let's join me in the journey of innovation, peace, and sustainable development on the world's most innovative, productive, and creative through INEX 20